So welcome to the quick overview of the forum. There's a couple interesting and neat things that people should know. So first, we've implemented a email system where you can get emailed on forums and or posts that you want. So how do you set that up? So you come over here, you click on your name, click on User Control Panel. Okay, then under Board Preferences, you look at Global Settings, include post and email. You want that so you can read the whole post in an email. Private messages, same, and always notify. I click all three of these on yes, 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 and then click Submit. I suggest that to do that. Then you come to Edit Notification Options, still in Board Preferences, and I click Mark All. And here's everything. So you click Mark All and then click Submit. I suggest that very highly. So you get all emails, all updates. Then you come to Overview. And if you look at Manage Subscriptions, you can actually see what you're subscribed to. So once you have enabled the email system, as I showed you in Control Panel, now you have to say, well, what am I interested in? Okay? So if I'm interested in rallies, and gatherings, I click on that forum, and say I'm interested in the whole forum. I click on that forum, then down here, there's a subscribe to this forum, or subscribe forum link. Now I know the little checkbox is strange. That means I'm unsubscribed now. If I want to subscribe to this forum, I click on that, and now it says you have subscribed to the notified. Fine. Okay. Now, any new posts that come up in here, I will get emailed on. I can click unsubscribe. I'm not really interested in this forum. Okay, and I'm no longer subscribed. Fine. I can unsubscribe to a full forum, just like that. If I want to check if I'm subscribed to a forum, I can come to the Antique, go down to the bottom, and yes, I'm subscribed. I know it's very strange. It says unsubscribed forum. That says I am subscribed already. This is just a nomenclature of the system. Okay, so I'm subscribed to this. Now say, for the heck of it, so now any new posts that come out in this forum, I'm going to get notified for. Of replies, I'll also get notified for. Say I didn't want to subscribe to the whole Antique forum. So let's come back here, I'll show you. So let's go back to Rallies and Rides and say, you know, I don't really want to get any new posts that are in here, any new topics. Okay, I'm really not that interested in it, but I am interested in the bikes on the job topic. Okay, and I think that's pretty interesting. So if I want to subscribe to one topic only, I come to the little wrench here and I say subscribe to this topic. Okay, now I'm subscribed to that topic and any new posts that'll come in my email now. So I'm subscribed to that now. So if I want to check that out, I come over to User Control Panel, I look at subscriptions, and I see what I'm subscribed to, and I can come down here, and somewhere in here is going to be the Bikes on the Job. There it is. So I am now subscribed to Bikes on the Job. Okay, if I want to unsubscribe, you can do it here, or in the individual forums and posts. So that's a way that you can get proactive emails to your email of what's happening on the forum. You don't always have to come back, especially if somebody sends you a private message. So if you post something in parts for sale or accessories for sale or bikes for sale or wanted, and you want to be notified of your private messages, this is the way that you do it. Okay, and you sign up for this, and you'll get notified in your email with that information. Now, a couple more cool, neat things that are on the forums. Here you come in, and you'll see notifications. Okay, and straight away, with notifications, you can tell what's new. So here's a new topic. Fine. If there's a private message, you'll see a little red number there as well. Okay? If you see here at Wanted, you see how this is red. So if I click on the red there, you'll see how this is red as well. If you click there, you go directly to the unread post. you go directly to the unread post. So it's very, very quick to come into forum issues, easiest way to add it, and bam, I come down to the bottom to the first unread post. So if there's 10 unread posts, it'll place you at the first unread post on the page. And that's really interesting because that's a really quick way of navigating through the system, okay? And so that's a really easy way of keeping up with things here. Now, also, there's a quick links right here as well. So if you click on quick links, you can look at all your posts. You can look at new posts. So there's all the new posts, and you can see them right there. You can see unread posts. Okay, I have no unread posts. Okay, because I just read them. Unanswered topics, active topics. So really active topics. Here's some of them right here. And it's an interesting way to just look around and maybe see things that you haven't seen before. So here's topics with no replies, right? So maybe you want to help somebody out and do that. So there's a lot of things right here in quick links as well. So a lot that the forum can do that a lot of people don't use. So that's the quick overview of the forum, and I hope you have fun with it. If there's anything else you want, anything else you need, please post on the forum in typically forum issues or the Stewpot. So you can do that. You can post in Stewpot or forum issues and ask about things, and we'll give you guidance. Thank you very much.